Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. We're up to day 10 of the Uniquely Creative Advent box. Please let me get one of these right. Alright, it's pretty solid, not very bendy. It won't be paper, could be a stencil. They normally do smaller stencils though. Wrong again. So it is more ephemera from that range from the paper pad from day one. So far everything is coordinating with the day one paper pad. And you know what I love about this so far? It's not Christmas related. So we can use it all year round. Because I don't actually send out Christmas cards. I tend to get really caught up and busy, and most of my relatives actually live overseas in the Netherlands. So it's by the time I actually send the Christmas cards, it's probably their birthday time, because I need to have sent them back in October, and yeah, that didn't happen this year again. So they'll be getting emails, I think. So yes, I love the fact that it's not all purely Christmas, that we have a well-rounded variety. So they're really, really pretty. Single-sided. So that was day 10. Join me for day 11. Maybe I'll guess day 11 correctly. We'll see. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.